Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard powder at home without milk powder. Making your own custard powder is surprisingly simple and uses just a few pantry staples. You will need 1 cup of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder or extract. For that familiar golden hue, consider adding a 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food coloring, though it is entirely optional. Now let's get mixing. Take 1 cup of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and sift them together into a large, clean bowl. Sifting is a crucial step to prevent any lumps in your final custard powder, ensuring a silky smooth texture when you prepare your custard. Once sifted, use a whisk to thoroughly combine these dry ingredients, making sure they are evenly distributed. Next, it's time to add the delightful flavor and signature color. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder to infuse your custard powder with a warm, inviting aroma. If you prefer a classic yellow custard, now is the time to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food coloring. Mix everything together thoroughly until the color is completely uniform throughout the powder. This ensures a consistent look in your finished custard. Proper storage is key to keeping your homemade custard powder fresh. Transfer your freshly made powder into an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dry place, like your pantry, away from direct sunlight and moisture. If you used vanilla extract, aim to use your powder within 1 month for optimal flavor. This simple preparation allows you to enjoy delicious, homemade custard anytime.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.